So good morning everyone. Today I will talk about how to build the consistency. Because consistency is a most important for all of you. You can also say because I have been told already. Consistency is a such weapon. The which student follow it. Definitely he can do anything whatever you want in the society. So first of all, how to build the consistency and how to create the routine. So both things are very important for all of you. By the way, you are prepared other competitive examination. Today I will talk about step by step how to build the consistency and what are get the advantage through the consistency. Because consistency is a such thing, and you can also say consistency is a such weapon the which student follow it. Definitely he can do anything whatever he want in the society. So without to taking much time, let's start in this video and activities. So first of all, I want to say something about the activities and consistency. Consistency is a such a weapon the who student follow it. Definitely he can do anything whatever you want in the society. You can do anything, any field, such as business, and such is studies, and such is when are you learning so good skill. This method are very useful for all of you. Because by the way, if you are prepared other competitive examination, so first of all you should build the and consistency and consistency. So first of all, say, we all know about the consistency, how to build the consistency. Number first, by the way, if you are a student and you think about I am prepared other competitive examination, and I am prepared the Bachelor of Science, and the many competitive examinations such as the UPSC and CA and Bachelor of Science and BTech, etc. So first of all you should take immediately decision behind your future, behind your futures. Number first of all, you should build your routine, and you should do hard work with consistency, so that you can cover quickly your syllabus. You can cover quickly your syllabus, because without covering quickly syllabus, your syllabus the uncompleted. So first of all you should think about this weapons and think. Because I has been told already, introduces the both things such as consistency is a weapon for me. Because consistency is a emotion. The many people are telling me, sir, consistency is a routine. So it is correct. I am not saying that consistency is a weapon. Because who student prepare other competitive examination and cannot score the good mark in class 12th and class 10th. So this video especially who student. By the way, first of all you should collect your syllabus, and you see how many largest your syllabus, and you should complete turn by turn, so that you can complete it easy way your syllabus. Because the syllabus is most difficult for all of us. Because when I am prepared other competitive examination, I can't understood about these activities and phenomena how to complete the syllabus. Because my syllabus is very boring for me at this time I am prepared other competitive examination. So first of all you should management your syllabus. Without managementing syllabus, you cannot complete it, you cannot completed it. So first of all you should complete analyze your syllabus and divide the many part. So Today I would study the SST, and today I will and study, and tomorrow I will studies the SST and political science and geography and etc. So first of all, you should management your syllabus and build the consistency. By the way, I am challenging for all of you. By the way, the who student follow this method and this way, definitely his life changed approximately 1 and 2 months. So first of all, you should create the routine, and second, you should first of all you should build the consistency, because consistency is most important for all of you. Without consistency you can't achievement your target. This is my opinion, because this is your life, your not me. By the way, first of all, you should take immediately decision behind your future, what is correct, me or not. So my lovely ladies and gentlemen, this is my costly information for all of you. First of all, I want to say something about my youth, because youth because the many type student prepare other competitive examination, the very struck bad attraction. So first of all, you save attraction, so that you can do study together, consistency, and a lot to do hard work behind your journey. Without do hard work you can't do anything whatever you want in the society. So first of all, by the way, many student one day are the many student are telling me, sir, how to improve English communication. So first of all, you should create the consistency and routine. By the way, you should follow the routine step by step, so that all of you can understood about these, how to follow it. So consistency and routine is a playing very important role behind your future. So my lovely ladies and gentlemen, this is my costly information for all of you. By the way, everyone student cannot trust me. So first of all, you have a phone, but at this time uh, at this time uh, at this time the artificial intelligence has been spread in the world. So first of all, you should take your phone and open your Google and search on the Google how to build the consistency. So ChatGPT provided the turn by turn how to build the consistency and how to follow the routine, etc. By the way, if you are don't trust me, so you can search on the ChatGPT and YouTube. By the way, you don't search on the YouTube, because on the YouTube the numerous types rumor is spread at this time YouTube. So you can search on the YouTube, and the numerous types of website available in your phone. So my lovely student, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, very interesting. So if you want one day can do extraordinary, so first of all you should follow on the way. So definitely you can do anything whatever you want in the society. So thank you very much, very interesting, thank you.